In this video, I'll show you how to use the new view options in Microsoft Planner's 2025 update, including the game-changing grid view bulk editing feature that just dropped in June. Planner and Microsoft 365 users have access to four unique views: grade, board, schedule, and charts. Premium license holders also get timeline, people, and goals views. Look for the view switcher at the top of your planner interface to switch between these options. In the grid view of any basic plan, you can now update multiple tasks simultaneously, assign tasks, adjust priorities, update progress, and modify start and due dates. Select multiple tasks by dragging or using CTRL plus arrow keys, then edit them all at once. This is perfect for managing large projects efficiently. With Board View now available in My Day and My Tasks, you can now manage and prioritize your tasks in a more visual way. The traditional Kanban style board has been improved with better drag and drop functionality and the ability to reorder columns and basic plans. These 2025 view updates make Planner more flexible than ever. The grid view bulk editing alone is a massive time saver for project managers. Try these new views today and let me know which one transforms your workflow.